My name is Darrell Norris. I'm the Vice President of Finance at Jackson College. I'm in charge of the college's budget. I need to make sure that our sources and uses of revenue match every year. People would have never guessed that I would be a Vice President of Finance when I left high school, so sometimes we joke about it. Sometimes we're like, oh my word, they trust you with the money. So I graduated high school in 2001 in the spring, and I went to work at a factory, and I found out real quick that wasn't going to be the career path that I could handle. So I went home and told my mom that I needed to come out to Jackson College and see an academic advisor. I was real nervous and scared. I really didn't know what to expect. And after I got into the courses and found the math lab and the resources that I needed and got past those tough courses, as most students call them, it started to become natural, and it just felt like that's what I should have been doing. And I had a lot of good people around me also continuing to tell me to keep going. My experience at Jackson College was fabulous. It's a great institution, and it has given me many opportunities that it can offer all of its students. As long as you take advantage of those opportunities, you can succeed, and they care about your success.